If United States, then why can't India? With no single word of condemnation from any side, US US President Trump's crackdown on immigrants is on full swing, from California to Los Angeles. Soon after coming to power, he has passed several executive orders prompting immediate crackdown on immigrants. These immigrants are mainly from Mexico and other Latin American nations. But there is more to this crackdown. The Immigration and Customs Enforcement raids, typically referred to as ICE raids, have taken the nation by storm. Several protests have taken place across major American cities against these anti immigration raids. Protests against ICE are similar to Shaheen Bagh protests of 2020 in India. However, the crackdown on protesters in US is dissimilar to the crackdown on CAA protesters in India. The implications of US crackdown on ICE protesters have wide and far-reaching consequences. One can even justify the crackdown as both India and US have right to protect their territorial integrity. But one cannot justify the sheer absence of condemnation from Amnesty or UNHRC when the course of US crackdown on immigrants has turned violent and ugly. Another point of dissimilarity is that some of the immigrants who face execution or deportation are bright young Indians who have contributed to the US economy since a long time. They are assets for the United States. But Trump, being Trump, is not realizing their worthiness and instead is determined to make so-called America great again. The reason behind this is that he is unable to differentiate between potential migrants and illegal immigrants. But that is something which should be left up to him to decide. My concern is about the international condemnation which India unnecessarily faces when it comes to CAA or NRC. The illegal Bangladeshis or Pakistani immigrants are of no use to us. They are a burden on Indian economy and are a mere political vote bank for the opportunistic leftist politicians. They are uneducated lot who are unworthy of living in India. Hence the crackdown. But this is something which generations in India and worldwide would take time to understand. Until then, India also has right to protect its sovereignty and territorial integrity because selective condemnation from any quarter cannot deter India's effort to crack down on illegal migrants.